Looking for a credit card that gives you cash back, miles, or points? Are interest rates going up or down? What cards are right for you? Here are your options. This is Digi Fusion addressing you regarding best credit cards you should use right now. This video teaches you how to get credit cards that help you finance your future. First on the list is Chase Freedom Unlimited. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card provides a robust rewards program and no annual fee. With it, cardholders earn 5% cash back on travel purchases made through the Ultimate Rewards site and 3% back at drugstores and dining establishments, including takeout. 1.5% rewards are earned on all purchases for the first year, and you'll earn 1% more at restaurants or drugstores than anywhere else. You can save 3% to 4.5%. This card offers a 0% intro APR on new purchases and balance transfers, 17.99% to 26.74%, with an introductory balance transfer fee of either $5 or 3%. This typically applies to balances transferred within the first 60 days of opening your account, with a minimum amount of $10,000 and maximum amount up to 10% of your credit line. This card offers 5% cash back on Lyft purchases through March 2025 and 3 months of Dash Pass at 50% off all year long. Just activate by December 2024. Second on the list is American Express Gold Card. The American Express Gold Card is great for foodies who love to travel. It earns 4x points on restaurants, supermarkets, and gas purchases, and you can even use your card abroad for no extra charge. Plus, travelers can benefit from the 3x points on flights booked directly with airlines or on AmexTravel.com. You get $10 off each month. There are also no foreign transaction fees. The card's annual fee is $250, but can be reduced to $130 by taking advantage of a dining credit. You'll earn rewards for all the money you spend at restaurants, making it an easy decision for those with a big appetite. Gold Card members can also earn statement credits or membership rewards points by using Amex offers at retailers such as wine.com. Third on the list is Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is known for their great introductory offer that lets new cardholders earn up to 60,000 bonus points after they spend $4,000 within 3 months of opening their account. Chase Ultimate Rewards points can be transferred to partners such as Hyatt Hotels and United Airlines. This allows you to book business class flights and luxury accommodations with the points from your card. The Sapphire Preferred (SPR) is a great travel credit card, and it earns 5x points on travel booked through the Chase Travel Portal. That's in addition to 3x points on all dining and 3x points on online grocery purchases. You'll earn 1 point per dollar spent everywhere else. The card offers a $50 annual credit on all travel expenses, and you earn 2x points on all other travel. It also comes with a $95 annual fee, but if you use the credit, it offsets the cost. Fourth on the list is the Citi Double Cash Card. The card's name says it all: you will get 2% cash back every time you spend with it. That makes it one of the most straightforward rewards card deals out there, and in addition to that, offers a strong points program. 1% cash back on every purchase and an additional 1% when you pay your balance in full. You can earn cash back at any time and get a statement credit or direct deposit for it. The card will also provide 0% on balance transfers for the first 18 months, then 17.74% to 27.74% variable. The intro balance transfer fee is 3% of each transfer, minimum $5, completed within the first 4 months, but after that, your fee will be 5%. Fifth on the list is Citi Simplicity Card. The Citi Simplicity Card has a 0% introductory balance transfer period for 21 months, and its regular APR is one of the best in the industry. With a 2-year balance transfer period, you'll pay off your debt slower and will end up paying more interest in the long term. This is because your credit card provider can charge you high rates of interest depending on how much credit you have available. This card has no annual fees, so it can be a good choice as you pay off other high APR cards. It also offers an introductory balance transfer rate of 0% over 4 months. If you are new to the credit card world, the credit card company gives you up to 4 months of interest-free repayments on your balance. This period begins at the time that you open an account with them, so make sure to transfer your balances as early as possible to take advantage of it. This card also has no late fees, which is great because we always recommend paying your monthly dues on time.
Thanks for watching Digi Finance. If you liked our content, kindly subscribe our channel to get updated of such amazing content. In case of having any query, just leave down a comment. We'll try to assist you as soon as possible.